Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today my topic is beauty influencer marketing and purchase intentions. The authors of this paper is Ngoc-Hong and Ngoc-Hong. So for the introduction, we will look at the digital transformation of beauty marketing. Social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook have fundamentally transformed how consumers interact with brands and make purchase decisions. These platforms evolve beyond simple communication tools into highly interactive digital environments where users actively create, share, and engage with content. Video-based content has become central to contemporary digital marketing strategy, with influencers marketing emerging as one of the most effective promotional approaches in digital era. So why influencer marketing works? Authenticity perceived as more authentic and relatable than traditional advertising, particularly among younger consumers resistant to overt commercial persuasion. Trust influencers are viewed as credible sources of information who share personal experience rather than corporate messages. Demonstration video content allows influencers to demonstrate product uses and share detailed evaluation in a manner resembling interpersonal communication. The beauty and skincare landscape, a perfect match for influencer marketing. The beauty and skincare industry represents one of the most active sectors within influencer marketing. Skincare products are highly experiential, involving subjective evaluation related to effectiveness, safety, and suitable for individual skin type. Consumers rely heavily on external information sources before making purchase decisions. Beauty influencers who regularly share skincare routines, product comparisons, and before-after experience have become key opinion leaders in this domain. Generation Z, the digital native consumers. Gen Z, born from the mid-1990s onwards, constitute a significant segment of social media users and online shoppers in Vietnam. This generation is characterized by high digital literacies, frequent social media uses, and a strong preference for visuals and interactive content. More importantly, Generation Z tend to place greater trust in real-life figures and online personalities than in traditional advertising methods. Beauty influencer review videos are likely to exert a substantial influence on their purchase intention, especially in the skincare category. What missing in current research? So focus on test over videos. Many prioritize the eczema plots or static posts rather than video content, missing the persuasive dynamics of video-based communication, with richer information cues and emotional expression. Generous versus specific. Previous research often examined influencer effect broadly without distinguishing between different types of influencers or product categories like skincare. Psychological mechanism. Fewer studies have stimulously examined how influencer characteristics translate into purchase intention through perceived credibility and parasocial interaction. Emerging market. Limited empirical evidence from Vietnam and other emerging markets where influencer marketing is rapidly expanding. Persuasion theories, how messages influence behaviors. Systematic and heuristic. While heuristic processing dominates, viewers face information overload due to abundant online content. Many consumers, particularly those with limited time or motivation, rely on simple cues rather than effortful systematic processing. Instead of critically evaluating every product claim, viewers assess the credibility of influencers, therefore their attractiveness or perceived similarity. These heuristics significantly shape purchase intention. Parasocial interaction theories. Parasocial interaction refer to the illusions of face-to-face relationship that authors develop with media personalities through repeated exposures. On the one side, the relationship evoke feelings of intimacies, familiarities, and emotional connections similar to real interpersonal relationship. Social media platforms enable influencers to communicate in personal and conversation ways, share daily life aspects, and respond to audience comments. These features intensify the sense of closeness, making parasocial relationships with influencers more salient than those formed with traditional celebrities. Key influencer characteristics: physical attractiveness. Attractive communicators receive more favorable evaluation and generate positive affective response that spill over to promote products. Attitude: homophilies, perceive similarity in values, belief, or lifestyle, enhance persuasive effectiveness by increasing identification and perceived relevance. Audience participants: liking, commenting, and sharing content reinforce engagement and deepen perceived relational closeness. Proper research frameworks. So this study examines how physical attractiveness and attitude homophilies influence purchase intention through two key mediating mechanisms: perceived credibility and parasocial interaction. The model integrates persuasion theories and parasocial interaction theories to explain beauty influencer marketing effectiveness. Six key relationships. As in the table, we can see the six hypothesis development of this study. So research design and data collection. So it's going to be the mixed methods with a sample size of 489 valid response. We stand for analysis and after reasoning. The data collection methods, which is the online survey targeting Generat consumer in Vietnam. So measurement instrument, which is like the parasocial interaction, adaptive formally and working 2016. Attitude homophilies, adaptive from Eagles and Rupin 2003. Physical attractiveness, adaptive from Ohanians 1990. Basic credibility, adaptive from Sokolova and Kefi 2020. And Betray intention, adaptive from Danish and Douglas 2019. So sample characteristic, the demographic profile. Respondent was predominantly young consumers at 15 to 26 years, with female respondents accounting for a larger proportion, consistent with skincare consumption pattern. Social media uses. More respondents regularly watch skincare videos on YouTube and TikTok, followed by Instagram platform characterized by video-based content and high user engagement. And betray instant behaviors. Respondents reported moderate to frequent skincare purchase activity with considerable variation in average spending per purchase. The reliability and validity assessment. Internal consistency. On construct achieves Cronbach Amphers value exceeding 0.7, demonstrating satisfactory reliability. And discriminant validities, the ATMT values were on below 0.85 threshold, confirming that constructs are empirically distinct from one another. All hypotheses are supported. The structural model analysis confirmed all six hypothesized relationships, but coefficients, t-value, and significant level were estimated using bootstrapping procedures, with all but showing statistically significant at a p less than 0.001. Strongest predictor of budget intention. So what this means? So perceived credibility emerges as the strongest predictors of budget intention, followed closely by parasocial interaction. So both altitude homophilia and physical attractiveness significantly enhance the mediating mechanism, with altitude homophilia showing particular strong effect on parasocial interaction. So theoretical contribution, integration of theories, successfully integrate persuasion theories and parasocial interaction theories in the context of video-based influencer marketing. Mediating mechanism, empirical confirm the mediating roles of parasocial interaction and perceive credibility in explaining influencer effectiveness. Emerging market insight, enrich understanding of influencer marketing within Generation Z in Vietnam, an underexplored emerging market context. Practical recommendation for brands. So select similar influencer, choose beauty influencer who share similar values, lifestyle, or perspective with your target audience to strengthen perceived similarity and foster parasocial relationship. Consider visual presentation. Physical attractiveness enhance both credibility and audience engagement, so visual presentation should be carefully considered in influencer collaboration. Encourage authentic communication. Focus on authentic and relatable communication style that build trust and emotional connection, not just product information. And limitation and future direction. Study limitation. Convenient sampling limits generable beyond the study population. Self-reported data collected at a single point in time may be subject to common methods bias. Focus solely on skincare products may restrict applicable to other categories. Future research opportunities employ probability sampling and longitude design for stronger causal inference. Examine other influencer characteristics such as expert type or authenticity. Explore moderating variables like genders, product involvement, or cultural difference, and expand to other industry and social media platforms.